All right, boys and girls, we are now on week 5, day 3 of daily math. So let's look at our first problem. It says write the number in standard form. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my problem and I'm going to look to see which number has the most digits. In this case, it's 700,000. So that tells me my answer needs to have 6 digits in it. So I'm going to go ahead and write those spaces to help me remember not to miss any of those spaces. So remember, those digits, those spaces, represent a digit for each place value. All right, so now I'm going to start with the 700,000. That needs to go in the 100,000s place, the 7. Then I look at my next number. It's 10,000. So that 1 needs to go in the 10,000s place. Then I look at my next number. I have 3,000. So that goes in my thousands place. Then I have 900. The 9 goes in the hundreds place. Then I have 2 tens or 20 and 3 ones. So you should have gotten 713,923. All right, let's look at the next problem. 32 divided by 8. Remember, another way to think of this is 8 times what gives you 32. And you should have gotten 8 times 4. 8 times 4, or 32 divided by 8, equals 4. 18 divided by 3. You can also think of this as 3 times what equals 18. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Or 3 times 6 equals 18. And then this one's just an easy multiplication problem. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. All right, let's move on to the next one. So we need to figure out what divided by 3 equals 5. A quick and easy way to do this is to work backwards and go 5 times 3. And 5 times 3 gives us 15. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. All right, 20 divided by what gives us 4. So another way to think of this is 4 times what equals 20. So if I skip count by 4s, I would skip count 5 times before I landed on the number 20. So you should have gotten 5. And then 6 times 4. Remember, I could start with 5 times 4, which is 20, because that's easy. I just did that up here. And then I add 4 more, and that'll get me 6 times 4, which is 24. All right, our last problem for day 3. Round 567,433 to the nearest 100,000. So I'm going to rewrite this number. And then I'm going to think about which number is in the 100,000s place. The 5 is in the 100,000s place. So I need to decide, is this 5 going to stay a 5 or become a 6? So I look behind it, and our rule is if it's a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we would keep the number the same. If it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we add 1 more to it. So I need to change this 5 to a 6 because behind it is a 6, and that tells us to add 1 more. Then all the numbers behind it become zeros. So you should have gotten 600,000. All right, I will see you tomorrow for day 4.